Welcome back. Today we're giving you a complete checklist, 10 things to inspect before you spend $1 on shaker cabinets. Here's the thing. I was in a showroom looking at two white shaker doors side by side. Same clean lines, same flat panel, identical to me. One was double the price.
That's the shaker paradox. The whole point of the design is simplicity. Clean, precise construction with nowhere to hide flaws. With ornate raised panel cabinets, decorative trim covers manufacturing issues. Shaker doesn't. Every gap shows, so the simple style actually demands better construction. That's why you need a real checklist, not just a visual once-over.
Let's get into it.
Door construction and center panel.
Number 1. The door. A proper shaker door has 5 pieces, 2 vertical stiles, 2 horizontal rails, and a center panel. Run your fingertip across where the stiles meet the rails. Quality doors use cope and stick joinery. It should feel like one continuous piece. If you feel a gap or ridge, walk away. That gap only gets worse.
What about the center panel?
This trips people up. Everyone assumes solid wood is better. For stained doors, yes. But for painted shaker, which is hugely popular, solid wood is the wrong choice. Wood expands and contracts with humidity. Paint forms a rigid film on top, so the paint cracks. You get hairline fractures. The right material for painted center panels is MDF, zero-dimensional movement. The paint stays flawless year after year. That's better engineering, not cost-cutting.
Cabinet box and back panel.
Now behind the doors. What should the box be made of?
Plywood. Furniture-grade plywood. It's cross-laminated so it has strength in multiple directions, resists moisture, and holds screws well. Particleboard is compressed wood dust and resin. It works fine until it gets wet. And in a kitchen, the question isn't if, it's when. One slow drip under a sink and a particleboard cabinet swells, warps, and it's done.
What about the back panel? Never thought about that.
Nobody does. That's why cheap manufacturers cut it first. The back panel is the cabinet's shear wall. It prevents the box from twisting under load. Here's the test. Press your thumb against it. If it flexes in, that's thin hardboard stapled on. What you want is half-inch solid plywood. It reduces racking by 40% and lets installers drive screws anywhere.
Drawer joints and drawer bottoms.
Drawers. You said these are where quality really shows.
Drawers take more abuse than anything else. For the joints, look for dovetails, interlocking fan-shaped cuts. The harder you pull, the tighter they lock. The bad version is thin sides with stapled butt joints. Those loosen and pull apart over time.
And the bottom?
Fastest quality test. Flip the drawer upside down. Cheap drawers have a thin panel stapled to the edges. Under weight, those staples pull out and the bottom drops through. On a quality drawer, the bottom panel sits captured inside routed dado grooves, channels cut into all 4 sides. 0 staples. The load transfers into the solid sides. Blowout becomes physically impossible.
Hardware and finish.
Hardware. What should be standard?
Full extension undermount drawer glides with soft close. Included in the base price, not a $30 upgrade. Premium systems use ball-bearing carriages rated for over 100 pounds. And the soft close isn't just luxury, that deceleration prevents microfractures from repeated slamming. For hinges, concealed with 6-way adjustability so doors hang perfectly even on imperfect walls. Good hardware is certified for 100,000 cycles. 10 uses a day, that's 27 years.
The finish. I'd normally just eyeball it.
That's how corners get cut. Budget cabinets get 1 coat of spray lacquer that air dries. It chips easily and dulls fast. Premium cabinets get sanded, base-coated, scuff-sanded, then multiple layers of catalyzed conversion varnish cured in an oven. The heat cross-links the polymers into a hard shell. Way more durable. Showroom test. Examine the inside corners where stiles meet rails. The finish should be perfectly even there. If they can't get those tight corners right, Nothing else will hold up either.
Certifications and finishing details.
Everyone claims quality. How do you verify it?
3 certifications. KCMA means cabinets survived brutal tests. Shelves loaded for 7 days. Doors cycled 25,000 times. Exposure to household chemicals. AWI, 3 tiers. Premium grade demands 0 visible flaws. 3/4-inch panels. Dovetail drawers. And CARB Phase 2, caps formaldehyde emissions. Non-negotiable for health. If they can't show you these, ask why.
Last one. The small details.
3 sub-checks. Shelves should be 3/4-inch plywood on metal clips, not plastic pins. Interiors should be sealed and finished. Raw wood absorbs moisture and accelerates delamination. And edges should have color-matched banding with no raw plywood showing.
Red flags, rapid fire.
Red flags, go.
Gaps where stiles meet rails.
Next,
Back panel flexes under your thumb.
next,
Staples on the drawer bottom.
next,
Raw unfinished wood inside the box.
next,
Vinyl wrapped doors sold as painted.
next,
Plastic shelf pins.
last one.
No KCMA or CARB certification on file.
Any one of those?
Any single one. Walk away.
If you want to put this checklist to work, in stock today, Cabinets carries shaker lines from Fabuwood and Wolf that check all 10 boxes as standard. All plywood, dovetail drawers, Blum hardware, oven-cured finishes, KCMA certified. In stock and available in 5 to 7 business days.
The cabinets you choose will be the most used furniture in your home for the next 2 to 3 decades. The difference between 5 years and 30 almost always comes down to these 10 things. Take 15 minutes to check them. Your future self will thank you.
Link to the full written checklist is in the description. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.